The soul consciously leaves the body. The soul is always at work. So when your body is sleeping, the soul still wants to achieve more, study more, meet family, learn, rest, go to the other side and come back, so on and so forth. So when the soul consciously does that, leaving your body and coming back, that's astral traveling. I have done readings in dreams. My clients tell me, Tamanna, we dreamt of you, and in the dream, you were giving me this message. And it actually happened that way for them. So there can be so many. When I was a kid, I used to put a book under my pillow and say, I used to travel a lot, astral traveling. I used to download information, study, you know. So, yeah,
Do you think the internet is ready for this kind of information?
I think it is. Because to be honest, Ranveer, many, many, many people experience what I've experienced. But either they don't really know what's happening and they're in denial, or even if they've accepted it, that they don't know whom to talk about it. Because if they talk to someone who doesn't understand it, they'll be termed as pagal hai, they're mad, they're weird. Are you hallucinating? And experiences are very personal, right?
You know how we spoke about these star systems, and we're talking about how beings are reborn in our realm with a purpose. Is there a flip side to this conversation where there could be negative star systems as well and negative beings are born?
Because they all have consciousness, and even souls who have done negative in the past lives are all being born, or if at all they're incarnating with a far more higher consciousness, knowing that they have the power to choose otherwise. And right now, the world that we are living in at this point, all of the humans are the oldest form of souls that exist, because like we were discussing, every soul here right now on an average is at least minimum 70, 50 to 70 lifetimes old, up to thousands of lifetime old.
How do you identify a really young soul? It's easy to identify an old soul.
Yeah.
How do you identify a young soul?
They are very innocent, very gullible. They don't know the worldly ways. They're not grounded. They can get swayed by emotions, society. They don't have a mind of their own. Always dependent on others' approval, decision.